then you go, since you want to add images to it, you should open up files, go to your website folder, and then go to your images folder.
You're only sharing your browser, I think. I'm not seeing your folders.
And then you should go to your, you click on this icon, and then you click on your website. It could be down in quick access, or you can search for it in the search bar. But after you get to, when you click this, it should give you something that like this, and then you go to your images, and then you can go to your search engine and look for an image. You save image as, you save the image, and then it,
Wait.
yes?
Can you start again? Because I just left my house, have no Wi-Fi.
Okay.
I'll start with this, Ryan. Explain what the 3 HTML files are.
So this one is our home folder index. So when you click on it, it gives us the page where when people click on our website, this is the first thing they would see. And then for swim is the second page. And we should be able to, in the future, click somewhere up here to get to this page. And you can add images on the left side and then add descriptions on the right. And game tech is supposed to be another page.
We're going to add the navigation next. We're going to add page 3 here next. So don't worry about navigation yet.
And yes, that's
Great.
what the free HTML folders are.
And all of the images are in your images folder, right?
Yes.
So that's the first thing you need to do, Jaden. Collect images for your whole website and put them in your images folder. And Ryan, you need to do that too. You need to add more. You need to add your gaming technology images here, right?
Right.
Jaden, do you remember the file naming convention?
Like more pictures.
Yeah. Okay. Ryan, do you want to explain the 3 things we have to do when we're naming files?
What?
Ryan, do you want to explain?
Sure.
Yeah.
So when you name a file, everything has to be lowercase letters, so no caps lock, and don't press shift when you type them. And every time you do it, you have to put a dash between the words. This is an example. Lab book. Those are 2 separate words. That's why there's a dash between them. And there's a dash between my name and then the PPTX thing. And it's all lowercase. It should look like this. It's also supposed to be in descriptive hierarchical order from first to last. But
Okay, good. All right. Now let's go into the table page code and let's explain to Jaden how the table page code is organized.
which one was the?
Either one. Your swimming one is the most complete. So let's
this
look
is
at
the
that.
same page as this one, though. Well, kind of.
Yeah, it's the same structure.
It's
just
different page. Different page. But
yeah.
So
let's look at the HTML for your swim page.
Okay. This is HTML code for it. You can get to this by right-clicking.
No, but you want to edit it. So you want to open from your file folder. You can't edit this page. Yeah, so you want to go to swim, right click and open with with Notepad.
Open with Notepad, and now you can change it.
Yeah. Where do you change the title?
The title is right here. It's underneath this header.
Okay. And then where do you change the image in the first row?
The image in the first row. You change it right here. It's underneath this header, which is underneath these comments. And for these, you have to keep the images /
Why do you
image.
have to keep the images there? Why is that important?
Otherwise, the image won't load.
Right, your images are all stored in your images folder.
It won't take the image out of your folder. So
Exactly. It won't find the images because you haven't specified the path.
So it just gives you a blank. And you also have to include the .jpg.
Yeah.
That's important. Don't delete that. If
Right.
there's an extra dot, you can also delete it if you paste it.
Yeah.
And that's the first image. This is the second image that you can change.
Yeah.
And this is the name of it, and this is the description.
Great.
If you want to add more, I think you can
You want to add another row.
copy and paste one of these.
Whoa. Let's do that. Let's make this a 3-row table. So here's what you have to do. Don't scroll, stay right there. Let me annotate. If you want to make a 3-row table, you want to take, scroll up just a bit. Okay, so you see where it says row 2?
Yes.
So you want to go all the way from row, you want to copy everything in that box. Copy,
Copy.
just copy, Control C or copy. And then do a write down after the last /tr right here, make a break or a line feed, a return. You make a space, return. No, not, yep. Do another return. Now paste, Control V. Okay, and then change row 2 to row 3.
And then we can change this image.
Exactly. So now you're gonna have 3 rows.
Let's see if I save this.
Yep.
And then I open this again.
Yep,
Now there's 3 instead of
yep,
2.
good. Cynthia, you know how to add a row right to your table?
I don't get it.
I haven't tried it yet, but I just watched you do it.
Okay, it's very simple.
I didn't get it.
Okay. Let's try once more. Brian, let's try to make, and go back to your source code, to your 3-row swim, yep. All right, let's explain where the title is. The title of your page.
So you scroll all the way up and you start from here. This is the first row. And if you move all the way down to here, which is under this header, it should start with the information between. If you move a little bit under that, you have the body background color. You can change the background color. Mine is set to gray. And if you move a little lower, you can find the title of your page. You can change this part of it. Don't change this or this. This is like a box to contain this part.
Perfect, well put. Don't worry about navigation. We're gonna talk about navigation next.
If you scroll past this, right underneath this comment right here in HTML, you should see list div align equals quotation center. and you scroll, you go down here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 rows down, and you should see this line of code right here. If you go over here, src equals quotation marks, this is where you would paste your image from your images folder, and you keep the images slash and the .jpg. You can edit it as you see fit if you've pasted an extra JPG.
Great. Ryan, may I add a little bit to what you just said?
Sure.
So the div command tells the browser that the table we're about to define is going to be centered on your screen, centered horizontally on your screen. Okay. And then this table command says, okay, browser, we're about to define a table. And the table will have no borders and no cell padding, cell spacing of 5, and the width of the table will be 650 pixels. Okay, after we define the table, the first thing we want to do is define row 1. And row 1 is defined here. You can read the comments. So this code is very, very well commented, so it should be easy to read. Row 1 is table row 1. That's this. Good, good, Ryan. And then within row 1, you have a data cell. The first data cell is an image folder, an image data cell. And then you have in cell 2 of row 1, you have your text. So it's very logical. You define the table, then you define row 1, and within row 1, you have 2 cells, 1 cell for your image and 1 cell for your text. And it's nested. By nested, it means the table is the big nest, and within that nest, there's a row nest, and then within the row nest, there are 2 table data nests. So what you're looking at here is nested code. You'll hear that phrase often when you do programming. Often a block of code will be nested within another block of code. Okay. Jane, does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, it's important not only to be able to get things to work, but to be able to explain clearly how they work. So it's good practice trying to explain things clearly and concisely.
But I forgot how to open Notepad.
Why don't you Google that, Jaden?
Okay, I tried.
Okay. So it's not that we don't want to answer your questions, but we want to get you in the habit of installing your own tools and finding out from Google how you spell things and how it's important to know that you don't have to rely on someone else to get all of your answers. Try first to get the answer yourself, and if you can't, then ask. Okay, great. All right, let's focus the rest of the time on navigation. Ryan, thank you. You did real good there in explaining that. You know what to do now to fill out images and your text, right?
Right.
Okay, so since then, how about if you share your screen and we'll set up navigation on your screen. So Jaden and Ryan, let's watch carefully so we understand how we're gonna edit our navigation block of code and then copy that on all of our pages. Okay, let's go to your home page. Open up your home page in Notepad. Yep. Open up your home page in Notepad. Great. Index, open with Notepad. Great. Okay. Now let's go scroll down where it says navigation. Good, let me get my annotate tool up. Okay, so first thing we want to do in navigation is how many pages are you ultimately going to have? Since
I think 4.
4 pages, okay?
Yeah.
So you want to copy this, that block of code there. You want to copy that 3 more times. So you'll have 4, you'll have page 2, page 3, page 4. Okay. Once more. Good, okay. Now where it says page 2, the first page 2, let's change that to painting. Instead of page 2, let's just replace page 2. You have one section that's called paintings, right? Or how do you, art, maybe just art. Things, art, fantastic. Okay, what's the second section? I don't think you don't want to put too many words. So if you're gonna, your title is Sing, right? Sing's website, so you don't need to put Sing every time, right? Art, music, and running, right? Or track. Great. Fantastic. Okay. Now, where you have here, you want to delete this template dash and just say index.html. Delete template dash, yep. Index.html. That's your home page, right? What's your art page called? Fantastic. Okay. Great. Great. And then what's running.html? Fantastic. All right. Now you've defined your navigation for your home page, right? And it's all right here. So copy all of that. And we're gonna, oh, wait a second, you're not indented properly. Whoa. This guy here and this guy here, indent those. Let's make your code nice and neat, because imagine you want to present this to be an intern at, you want to get an internship. You want to show them that your code is really well formatted, right? Okay, good. Now copy everything there. Good. Excellent. Copy. And now save this file, save. Save. Now go to open up your art page. Your art page. And then go to open with Notepad. Open your art page with Notepad. Good. Now, what do you think you have to do here? Scroll down till you get to navigation and replace this navigation with the navigation you just defined. So you want to replace all of this. Replace all of that. Not the center. Whoa. Just right there. Yep. Are you, okay. All right. Yep. And paste. Good. Okay. And then do the same thing with music. And then go to your music. Save that page. Save. Now go to music. Good. Good, Zinzin. Perfect. Okay. And paste. Whoa. I don't think you pasted your new, oh, you did? Okay. Make sure okay. Make sure your indentation is consistent. Good. Okay, looks good. All right, now let's go to your homepage index.html and open it in your browser. And let's see if your navigation displays properly. Just double click on index and it should open. Okay, so now you see all of your navigation, right? Great. Music. And you don't need to close that. You should be able to go, you should be able to click on home. Click on home. Click on art now. Click on home. Click on music. Click on home. Click on music. Click on music again. And now from music, click on art. It all works, right? Do you understand that, Sinsin? Do you think you could explain that?
Yes.
And now all you have to, oh, what's this? You want to, I think this is from a previous, if you refresh this page, if you click the refresh button up here, that should go, yeah, yeah. So your website is all set now except for running. And maybe you want to add some more paintings. You could add 5 rows to your table, right? Because you have many paintings.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to work on your running page and we'll go with Ryan? We'll see if we can get your navigation working.
Sure.
I'll just share my screen.
Okay.
This is my home page. I'm
Yep.
trying to place navigation in there.
Yeah.
Is there anything else I should do?
Yeah.
Because
Okay. So hold on a second. Let me draw. I need to get my annotate tools up again.
I already have the navigation copied, so I can just paste it.
Yep.
in.
Yep. Just paste it.
Delete this.
Yep. Good. 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 Okay. Save. Okay. We deleted the div center. We deleted a center tag. That's all right. We'll fix that. Let's go to the home page, your Notepad homepage.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look at the HTML for your homepage.
Well,
Yeah, good. HTML. Okay, so you want to go right before the image. Before the image, you see. Okay, hold on a second. Let's scroll up a little bit. Let's see where this first center tag is. Scroll up a little bit more.
right here, I think.
Center. Okay, yep, good. Now let's scroll down. Okay, good. Now, oh, okay. So what we can do is see where I've put the red box? Just
Yes.
delete that. Okay. And file save and see if that works.
No, that's better.
Right. Okay. And do you understand, because we entered the centering tag there, so the default positioning for your pixel was left justified.
So it was a double negative.
Exactly. Well put, Ryan. Exactly what it was. Good. Okay. So all of your navigation works now, right?
Right. So far.
Beautiful.
3 pages.
Okay, so your challenge now is to add images and text to your, and are these all the pages in your
I'm trying
website?
to add more. I'm going
Okay.
to add some more.
So if that's the case, you have to redefine your navigation and copy that on all pages, right?
Yeah.
You know what to do.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Good, guys. So Jaden, we we have this recorded, but I strongly suggest that you set up a recording tool on your computer so that you can record the meetings.
I guess.
And if you have trouble, if you need to review the videos of the class, then I strongly suggest that you have that tool loaded on your computer, because if you're taking a course outside of Build It Yourself and you can't remember what your teammate said, you should have on your computer a tool for recording not only a Build It Yourself meeting, but any other meeting, right? If you're doing a program with your swimming coach and you can't remember what your swimming coach told you, you should have a recording tool on your computer so you can refer to it during the week. Does that make sense, Jaden? Okay. I'm going to suggest, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to suggest that you take a screenshot of this and do this as homework for next week. There's no homework at Build It Yourself. It's if you want to, if you're interested and you want to explore more. I have one page, and this is the lab book that I'm creating in parallel to what you guys are doing. So here I've got, I think I saw Ryan, or Vincent, I saw you had a page for software tools in your lab book. So these are the tools that I highly recommend you install and know how to use. So Pad++, and we're going to need FTP. Okay. And so Notepad++, we know what PowerPoint is. Notepad+ is text editor for programmers. Now we're using just plain Notepad. I recommend that you install Notepad++. Notepad Plus or Plus+, it's color coded and it's more powerful than Notepad. It's also for free, but it's if you're doing complicated programming, it's much easier to keep track of your indentation when you open a tag and when you close a tag. Notepad++ will color code it, so it's really easy to identify where a comment is or where different tags are. So I recommend that you install Notepad++ and you use that instead of just Notepad. You will soon need FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and this is how you're going to upload files to WebSolder folder. Files to web server. And GIMP, we haven't done Photoshop yet. Has anyone used Photoshop or Paint or a pixel painting program? I suspect you have, Vincent, no?
I haven't used Photoshop before.
You have not?
No.
Okay, we'll teach you how to use GIMP. GIMP is free, Pixel Painter. And if you know how to use GIMP, it's almost identical to Photoshop. The same concepts in Photoshop are in GIMP. The menus might be a little bit different. But we can download GIMP for free. So I recommend you download that. And we'll spend some time next week making sure that you have these installed properly and we know the difference. And my space GIF maker is make animated pictures on your website. So if you make if you make a diagram that you want to animate, or you make a cartoon, or even a contemporary art piece that you want to animate, we can animate that in GIF Maker. So these are tools that are very, very useful for making websites. Web development. Okay. So guys, you want to add a page in your lab book, and after you do that,
Can you can you go up to page 7? Can I just take a screenshot because I want to put it in my lab book?
Great.
Page 7.
Okay.
Okay, I take a screenshot already.
Great. Okay, guys. Now we wanted to talk a little bit about the rescheduling.
Yes.
So are you guys available to change the time to Monday at 8 o'clock? That would be 5 o'clock California time on Monday.
So I can do that time, but it's not ideal for me. And I think I sent an email to Emma with the times that I'm available.
Oh, great, great. Okay, fantastic. That's all we need to know. Ryan, could you send an email in response to Emma's request when you're available? We're going to try to reschedule Friday because we're planning to schedule some webcasts to China on Friday.
Sure. Sounds cool.
Okay. Emma, does that work for you? I think.
Yeah, because since if we skip to Monday, and then next week, do we need to skip?
Yes, we need to, we may need to skip next week's class because we can't meet on Friday next week, correct, Emma?
Yeah.
Next week is when we're doing the demo.
Yes, yes. And also, Xinxin, I didn't receive your email response.
Oh, I see. I can try sending it again.
Okay, did you send to the admission one or?
I believe I replied to your email, but I'm not sure. I will check.
Okay. So currently it feels like Monday will be the best time that could be worked for everyone. So Ryan, do you have a general idea will you be available on Monday, 8 p.m.?
Simpson said it wasn't ideal for her.
Since
Okay.
I leave school at 2:30 to 3 o'clock. and
I'm okay. Is that for Thursday and yeah, is that for Thursday and Tuesday?
If needed, I can do Monday though. If it works better for everyone.
Monday, I can do it at Monday, Tuesday, and Friday.
Xinxin, then if Monday not very well for you, how about Tuesday, everyone?
Tuesday works as long as I get home early.
So Tuesday I'm available in the morning and also later in the afternoon. But I can put that time in the email if I just send it to you again. Maybe I'm not sure why you didn't receive it. But
You can choose. No matter what day that is, the class will be happen at the same time, like 8 p.m. Eastern time and 5 p.m. Pacific time. So if you Xinxin, you need more time to think about that.
Yeah, I will write an email right after this class.
Okay. Okay. How about Ryan?
I think I can.
You can do Tuesday and Monday both, right?
I should be able to do all days of the week.
Okay, got it. Perfect. Jaden, will Tuesday work for you? Jaden, are you there? Great, got it. Okay, then we just
What? Monday 8 p.m.
You said
What?
Tuesday also work for you, right?
What?
Tuesday at 8 p.m. will work for you, right?
I think sure. Tuesday, right?
Yeah, Tuesday.
Okay, Tuesday 8 o'clock. It's not Friday anymore, right?
It's not Friday anymore.
Okay, I thought it's only one class for Tuesday.
Okay, I got it. So here is the thing. Since we have to reschedule the class from next week, and today is already Friday, so next week, remember, we have no class. So you can focus more on your website, and I will definitely also remind you by email. And right now we will only need to waiting for Xinxin's schedule, and then I will also email you the new schedule as well. So any questions about the class schedule?
So should I send the email to admission.us@lhglobal?
Yeah, that will be fine.
Okay, thank you.
Great. Okay, yeah, it'd be terrific if you could get your websites all completed. What we want to do is show you how to post your websites on the web so that you can read your websites from any computer. They'll be live. In order to do that, you'll need to install FTP. So try to make a cut at that. And then after we get your websites posted, then we're going to show you some tricks for making HTML code more efficient. And then we'll move on to another project. So we'll probably spend 2 or 3 more weeks on your personal websites, and then you can put them to rest, to bed, at least temporarily. And then we'll start on another project. Okay. Have a good 2 weeks. See you in 2 weeks.
Wait, what is Jaden send Tuesday words? What is that?
Oh, that's nothing. That's nothing.
Thank you.
Yes, Jaden send Tuesday words.
Yeah, Jaden, it's me. This is Bing. When Emma asked you, you didn't reply, but I heard you. You said Tuesday works for you before, so I think oh Tuesday works for you. Just want to explain this to you.
Oh,
Right. Yeah, just want to help you to respond.
oh. Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye everyone. Have a nice weekend.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Thank you. You too.
Bye bye.
Thanks, Emma. Thanks, Bing.
Thanks, John. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.